Hello, Dream Team, and welcome back to Dream Style Chaos Vlogs. I am so excited for this vlog. It is a little bit outdated. I'm so sorry. I was a little off game when it came to editing videos because I'm doing reels and I'm doing a lot of things at the moment, and I'm really trying to amp up my planning situation. I'm not that kind of person, and a lot of times when I plan things, the fact that Mira pending come tries and comes catch up with me. So yeah, I'm like trying to figure out life here, but this vlog felt really close to my heart and something I was really having fun with, and I got to editing it and I was like, damn it, this is really good content because it's me. Obviously, what else can you expect? However, I realized there is no start and end to this vlog because it is me. What else do you expect? So yes, this vlog I was making when I was thinking of making reels, which I've already started making, by the way. Check them out. There's some amazing stuff for fashion and makeup kind of thingies I'm doing, and I'm really going out there, just saying. But yeah, in this moment I really wanted to get started with reel making and, like, just go out there and not feel hesitant, because it's funny how I have been doing YouTube and making videos on the internet for like about 3 or 4 years now, but still making videos in front of people I know, like on Instagram. It I don't know, it hit the spot which it hit back in the time when I wasn't sure if I want to do YouTube, and like, I was like, oh my god, people know me, it's awkward, what if I'm not good enough? Yeah, the voice, that voice. Oh, whew, baby. But yeah, I took care of it, and I wanted everything to be perfect. That's how every one of us wants things to be, right? So I went to the supermarket and I got myself a really long cloth. There was a lot of mat that was required. I was not prepared for it. However, my plan of action, okay, so I'm a complete jugadu. So what my plan of action was, where you have your windows and you put on your curtains, that rod, I was just gonna flip the cloth over it and make it like a backdrop. However, the thing with the cloth is that you can get whatever length you want, like it can go on, but it's the breadth that really matters, and I needed something that at least had 6 to 7 feet of breadth situation, which I did not. However, I couldn't find a cloth with that kind of breadth in the local market, and because of lockdown not everything is working. So what I had to do instead was I had to take the cloth, cut it with the length that I wanted, and then whatever extra fabric I had to flip it over. So I had two matching cloths next to each other, pretending to be there 6 feet, but they really weren't. It was fine, but I was just like, it looks shabby. I'm not feeling it. And if I'm gonna do something in front of especially people I know, like with YouTube, I can look like this and just feel fabulous. But I don't know, with Instagram, it's just like, but I just wanted to be perfect, and I was really like not kind of feeling. And then something happened that you will continue to watch in the vlog. God, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Hi. It's a new day. I know this vlog has been clumsy so far, but trust me, I have signed you and I both for a ride. That, trust me, by the end of it, if it doesn't go as planned, which there is no plan, I'm gonna be identified as an orphan. I'm not even making that up. I wish I was. So basically, as you know, yesterday I was not having it. I really wanted to make the reels. I wanted the setup to be a certain way. It wasn't working. I was frustrated. I was just like, ugh, why me? Like, that zone. And I woke up in the middle of the night, specifically at 1 a.m. something, and I made a purchase on Amazon. There was no thought process that went into it. It was just like, click, add to cart, bought it. It's something I literally bought it for my parents' money, the parents' money that they gave me for emergency, for candies and chocolates and food. I spend it on this item that I am so not ready for. And I just got a mail. It might be here today evening. And I'm just like, oh my god. I'm just not sure how my parents are gonna take this. It's not a big deal. Maybe it is. I really don't know. I have to come up with like a narrative to convince my parents. I will do that. But you know what? I just made this vlog so much fun. What brings me on your screen this time? Ta-da! This just came into the mail today. I am so freaking excited. My materialistic always looks forward to packages, and here I have two. Obviously, I got things from Purple, as you can see. I am so excited. However, I know this looks like a lot, but it isn't. And if even it is, it's not that exciting, and that's why I thought I should just throw it in there into the video. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so in here I have some Alps Goodness powders that I picked up while I was ordering some other things. So I have some hibiscus and some shikakai powder. Yeah, these are just mainly powders that I got from my mom, so nothing exciting. Now let's come to my bit of shopping. I have this. Oh, this was the free package that I got because it's purple we are shopping from. They always give you freebies. So this is some NYB blue eyeliner, which is super cute. I'm not into liners, so I'll probably give it to a friend or someone who will actually use it. Ta-da! We have this, and this is the Good Vibes Peppermint Essential Oil. Now, I've been really looking into some plumbing lip balms and just plumbing products, because like these are not lips. You can call them anything but not lips, and I really like, I don't know, wanted to get a little for my Insta posts and just like, I don't know, for fun's sake. And I thought maybe I should get an essential oil and just drop it on my lips. I don't think that's a good idea though. So I'll have to figure out how to use this to plumb my lips, even if it's temporarily. If you saw my empties, you know I used the Biotic almond oil as a massaging oil, and I really enjoyed it. Although it wasn't for that purpose, it was actually a makeup removing purpose oil, which I use as the body oil, because oil at the end of the day is oil. Wow, I said oil way too many times in the sentence already, like whoa. In here I have the Biotic Bio Avocado Stress Relief Body Massage Oil. So this is actually meant for massaging your body, and this is a really big bottle, and it was really inexpensive. This was just for $135, and Purple had this offer that if you buy 2 Biotic products, you would get 30% flat on each. And that's why I not only got the stress relief variant, they had another body oil variant, which is this one right here. It is their anti-aging after bath oil, and this is their carrot seed oil. Now it's interesting because both of these are from their body oil range. However, this one is big in size versus this is like quite small in size, and both of them are priced the same. Like, why would Biotic do that? This is 120 ml of product, whereas the stress relief is 200 ml of product, but they both are the same price. So while I was doing my body oil research, I came across this oil on Purple, which was a body oil which had cinnamon in it as a key ingredient, and it said it would be like a slimming oil or like a fat burning kind of a oil. And I was like, interesting. However, that oil was like for 1,200 or 1,500 something, and I was like, really? And I thought, oh my god, I can buy an essential oil and add it into any of the oils and see if that works, because it kind of made sense, because cinnamon is a really good ingredient to get the blood circulation going, to plump, to burn the fats, and I thought I could do it with just the cinnamon oil itself. I mean a cinnamon essential oil. So I got this from Alps Goodness, and it already has a strong scent. Like, I don't even have to sniff it or open it. Yup, that was my haul. Those were all things I purchased. Order is here, guys. My order is here. Oh my god, okay, wow. Pull it together. It's here, guys. It's freaking here, and it's huge, it's big, it's in your face. I don't know what I was thinking, not telling my parents about this purchase. My mom is just like, what is that thing? And I'm just like, you see, I made this a random purchase. I'm not sure if we want to keep this, but it'd be good to like just see my options. She's like, okay, but what is it? So I kind of explained her what it is, and she's like, okay, we'll see. It's not good enough, but it's not bad. So yeah, guys, it's here. It's a freaking IKEA furniture. I think by now you must have guessed what it is. If you did, good for you. Have you ever done anything hardware related? Because like, never. So let's do this. Okay, so this is how everything is looking like. I mean, I just saw screws and I freaked out. I was like, what? I'm supposed to figure this part out? That's not happening. Also, I'm so sorry for the chipped nails. I thought I would fix it, but this happened and I could not hide this baby. So like, I had to deal with it ASAP. But wow. Yeah, that's me. Hi. Hope you're still watching. Wow, I am sweating. And I haven't even started, but like, this is so funny. Like, okay, wait, what? This doesn't even have a hole. How am I supposed? Oh, is it like niche ka? Wait. If I vlog on my phone, how am I supposed to know what I'm making? Oh, because instructions. Once I think I'm supposed to actually read this thing. Oh my god, if you're not still clear, which I don't blame you, it's supposed to be look like this, and this is what is called a clothing rack. Yes, I freaking got a clothing rack that has to be assembled by Mua. Should have thought this through. Okay, what? This is their explanation as to why they can't get it ready made and why I'm supposed to assemble. Oh my god, could you just come to the point? This is like me and my vlogs. Or just me as a person. I don't understand what I'm supposed to do. Okay, wait, what? This is not fitting. Okay, no freaking out. That's not an option. What is the first thing they did? Okay. So, according to this picture, I'm supposed to find the hole and join it with a screw. Where's the screw? How will I know which screw to put?
A few moments later.
If I actually make this happen, I'm going to be such a wifey material that, I mean, if I ever have to open an account or a profile on any website, wedding website, and my greatest accomplishment would be this. Not my degrees, not my cooking skills, which don't exist, but this very vlog. So yeah, I better start looking good. Oh my god. Guys, मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी का almost first screw लगाया है. I mean, I know it's not fully done. It needs a lot of patience and I don't have that. Also, this is useless. So yeah, that's that. But it's here, guys. It's freaking here. I am so proud of me. Alright, people, I'm ready for this moment. So now I have to give you a little heads up. I've just made this up on the basis of the manual. I haven't got to any YouTube videos and figured out how to actually accurately do it. I was going to, but while I was trying to figure this out, I actually got a call from my best friend saying she's getting ganpati this year and it's literally tomorrow, and they decided today, and you know, she needs help with decor and things like that. I was like, oh my god, I love that kind of crafty stuff. So I'm gonna go help her. So I won't be shooting anything today. I don't require this today. Oh yes, by the way, guys, so this is how this thingy majingy looks like. It's all here. Now I have to say it's a bit shaky, like you can see, but that's completely my fault because as you can see, the screws are not done right. I need the perfect screwdriver for it. And you know what the best part is? I can also use this as a backdrop stand. So I don't have to get that separately. And it's really well made, guys. Like, there are no scratches. Just the color is beautiful. It's of a really great quality. And so that was the screw. So I'm yet to figure out where to put these babies. Also, there's one more part which was here. Oh yes. Apparently this thing goes somewhere around here. I just don't know how. Like, this is not how it's supposed to go, and there are no holes made onto this thing. So yeah, I'm like yet to figure this part and those screws, which is like half the work. But I have the layout, which I figured out on my own in 15-20 minutes, which I'm so proud of. This looks so cute. I can't wait to actually use this. And like, oh my god, this is gonna be late. My ready to go bag is ready, except this. Now it's ready. Oh my god, I must have packed my bag after ages. Oh my god, I'm so freaking excited. Also, dang, my skin is glowing. But yeah, now I'm just waiting for my Ola to arrive. And oh wait, mask. Really, is this where my life has come to? Actually, everybody is. I'm finally here. Oh my god, I'm finally here. Actually, I should keep this on. Guys, oh my god, this vlog is so clumsy. I can't even right now. So I got at my friend's place at around 4 or 5 something. Then I was busy with the decor and everything. And guess what the time is right now? Just guess. You know what? I'd do it for you. Right now, it's 1:40 a.m. Like, can you, like, that just happened. We were currently watching Lucifer. It's Blair, like, yeah, whatever. But we were craving for some hot ramen noodles, and that's why we're cooking midnight. How are you feeling, bro? Okay, so हमारा noodles का plan.
It was so bad. It was so bad. I am like psyched right now. I'm like legit psyched.
They don't even know what happened.
I can't.
So हमारे noodles expired निकले and there were like some really disgusting thing inside. So we just threw the whole thing away and now we are like food hunting at legit 2 p.m. Like, do I even have to anymore? So yeah. What is that?
That's I don't know. Sing bhujia. You're kidding me.
Oh, you like this?
I like this. You can have this. We'll have this. Like that. Are we supposed to have this with lemon or something?
Just check अंदर कुछ नहीं है.
Yeah, like.
So yeah, that just happened with us.
Oh, it's good.
Okay, so we're gonna watch Lucifer.
Old people. Good luck with that. Humans are smart. Especially Chloe Tucker.
And you guys, with that, we've come to the end of today's vlog. I really hope you had fun. I definitely had fun making it. And also, update about the clothing rack. I mean, it's looking pretty good. I fixed it, I made it work, and now it's no more shaky. I mean, yeah, it a little bit is because I'm yet to fix the screw thingy, which I will get to. However, interestingly, I did figure out the lower part. Let me give you a look. So I did fix the lower part like a professional, and I did it by myself, guys. I'm so freaking proud. So this is how the current situation looks like. I think I'm supposed to keep shoes, but I mean, obviously I haven't. But this is how it looks like. Cheers for Mua. Hip hip hooray, and hip hip hooray. So yeah, guys, that just happened. I'm so happy. So yes, I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, guys. And you can also follow me on my social medias, the links for which will be in the description and up on my screen. And guys, I upload videos twice a week, and sometimes I get extra, like today, and I upload thrice. That just happened. So I really hope you had fun, guys. And you can also subscribe, guys. Subscribe. I'm really amazing and quite entertaining like that. So definitely don't miss out on that. And until then, XOXO. Love you all. Bye.